Hi guys, Meka from Mods here. Long time no videos, but here is a new one. I'll be unpacking the TTesports Meka G unit mechanical keyboard. Basically a nice box. And let's see what we can find on the inside. A nice little layout of the keyboard. Show what we can do with it. A folder with warranty slips and all this crap, you know. Let's see what else we can find in here. The keyboard itself. Very nicely packed. Some extras in here. There's the box. There will be more stuff right here, so let's see. A little storage bag with Velcro for storing your keyboard with all the accessories. We have a pouch here with a USB cable. Basically, you can unplug the cable from the keyboard whenever you store it. Nice way to save some space. Also have the armrest or wrist rest, whichever you want to call it, padded with rubber to prevent it from moving. Easy clip system, just push it on, otherwise it's hollow, as you can hear. And then we have the keyboard itself. It's a fairly big keyboard, I have to admit, due to the fact that it has T1 keys right here on the side. You have some extra keys up here. It seems to actually be missing a key. I have to look in the box and make sure it's somewhere in there probably. Oh, there it is. Found it. Let's see if we can get it out. There we go. Found it. F1 key was missing. As we can see, actually I can show you, it's a MX switch with a black MX switch. All you do is have to remove the key. You push it on. Although I failed on that, try put it on, get a good push, and it's there. The black switches are fairly silent, or well, silent as they can get. It's an older switch that Cherry MX has been around. MX Black has been around for a while, but it's still used by gamers, and I like it. I have to say, it doesn't have the clicking noise, but it still has some resistance, which is also nice. Anyways, they place the multimedia keys on the right. You also have volume controllers here. You also got a special key here for functions. You have a full-size numpad, arrow keys, everything. So you can basically work on this and game on it, which is really nice. Up here you have where you plug in the USB cable. You have two USB ports, mic and sound, and you have stands on each side. You have rubber pads all across the keyboard to prevent it from moving. As I mentioned, you have the wrist rest that you just push on, in case you like it. That's about it. I'll take some pictures, start working on the review. I should have a review up on the site within a week or so. So make sure to stay tuned. I'll post a link just down below in the description of the video, and make sure to visit the website rbmods.com. Thank you for watching.